Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Can you believe it is day 11 already? My goodness, time is going so quickly. Let's find door number 11. There's 12, there's 11. Yes, I found it. Let's open you up and see what we have here. And we have an oven and stove top. And my cat wants to have some of the milk. Let's get this out and look at this. Yes, now I can bake those biscuits from yesterday. So I was actually eating raw biscuits yesterday. And look at this milk. I've just noticed it is a different picture. We don't have a cow anymore on there. Let's put this stove together. So we need to put the elements on top and the oven door. There's a little frying pan and the milk carton. I like the new design on there. And we've got some beakies here, and Stephanie's come along and she's going to do some baking. We've got to get rid of that bow. And look at the size of that milk carton. It's huge compared to her. And I thought, I feel like some milk for the afternoon because I need a nap from all this excitement. The countdown is on. 14 sleeps to go, everyone. Exciting. See you tomorrow for door number 12.